You thought it was a loss. You thought the door closing meant it was over. But Romans 8 verse 28 says otherwise. And we know that in all things God works for the good of those who love him. God doesn't waste pain. He doesn't throw away the broken parts. He uses everything, the heartbreak, the mistake, the delay, for your good. You don't have to understand it to trust it. You don't have to feel it to believe it. God is turning your mess into your mission. God's still working behind the scenes. Type, He's working it for good in the comments if you're holding on to that promise. Just because it didn't go your way doesn't mean it's not going God's way. God bless you.